Toyota hits 5 million milestone in France, a tribute to innovation and excellence. What's up, car enthusiasts? Today, we're celebrating a massive milestone in the automotive world. Toyota Motor Manufacturing France just rolled out their 5 millionth vehicle from the Valenciennes plant in northern France. And trust me, Toyota didn't just hit this milestone, they nailed it in style. Picture this, a bespoke Yaris Cross, the star of Toyota's lineup, painted in the iconic French tricolor. Designed by the talented team at Toyota Europe Design Development in Nice, this special edition perfectly symbolizes Toyota's deep connection with France and the European market. The celebration. This wasn't just any production milestone, it was a full-blown event. Over 200 VIP guests, including French Minister Delegate for Industry Marc Ferracci, joined the celebration. Toyota's president and CEO of Toyota Motor Manufacturing France, Rodolphe Delaunay, summed it up best: "This milestone is a testament to the hard work and passion of our teams, partners, and suppliers. It shows Toyota's unwavering commitment to quality and meeting the expectations of European customers." Yaris Cross, a true game-changer. Let's talk about the Yaris Cross, Toyota's top seller in Europe and the undisputed king of the B-SUV segment. Since its debut in 2021, it's been crushing sales charts, and in 2024 alone, over 173,209 units have been sold in just 10 months. This beauty isn't just a market leader, it's a hybrid pioneer. At Valenciennes, 5,000 employees crank out over 1,200 Yaris Cross and Yaris vehicles daily, with every single one being a hybrid model. That's dedication to sustainability and innovation right there. European excellence. Toyota Motor Manufacturing France isn't just about quantity, it's about quality and sustainability. With a cumulative investment of 1.6 billion euros, Toyota has made this plant a shining example of environmental performance. And across Europe, Toyota's commitment runs deep, with over 25,000 employees, 11 billion euros in investments, and a massive presence in 53 countries. What's next for Toyota? Toyota isn't slowing down. With initiatives like the Kinto Mobility brand, a push for carbon neutrality, and a full range of electrified vehicles, they're paving the way for the future of mobility. Final thoughts. Toyota's 5 millionth vehicle milestone in France isn't just a number, it's a symbol of innovation, sustainability, and a deep connection with European customers. So, here's to Toyota and the incredible Yaris Cross, leading the charge into a greener, more connected future. Drop a like and let us know in the comments, what's your favorite Toyota milestone? Or, are you planning to grab a Yaris Cross for your next ride? Subscribe for more epic automotive stories and milestones.